All right, so the S&P was down, what, 3.5% today. I thought it'd be interesting, and it's basically because of tech sell-off. So I thought it'd be interesting to compare the VUG versus VTV, because the VTV is a value index, VUG is the growth, because we've been saying is that the value index doesn't have a lot of the same holdings as the growth in terms of tech stocks. So let's see how this. I haven't looked. I've literally just. Well, I was out all day planting. Man, I took a nap because it's freaking hot today. In fact, what is the temperature here today? So I just woke up from my nap, gave my boys their peanut allergy stuff, what's called OIT. And 91 degrees now. It feels like 97. I'm tired. But anyway, I feel good now. So let's take a gander. I haven't looked at anything, and I'm just sharing this with you. So let's go to here. Here's our market watch. Dow sheds over 800 points as tech sell-off hits Wall Street. All right, so let's look. The first thing we're going to do, let's look at VTV. Again, this is what I own, VTV. And that was down 1.79. Okay, so let's write that down. VTV 1.79. Right, that's not as bad as the S&P 500, which is down twice that, 3.5. Then we're gonna go to VUG, and VUG was down 4.71. Okay, so VUG is down 4.71. All right, gotcha. So what is causing VUG to be down so much more? Well, we'll look at the holdings, and we're gonna see right there. Holdings, top holdings. Ones that shows the top holdings. Booz ain't. Okay. That's not what. That's not the top holding. Come on. Where are the holdings on this thing? All right, let's go to. That's all they show of the holdings. Okay. All right, let's see. So let's go to profile. Maybe we need to go to Vanguard. All right, so hold on just a second. Let's go to Vanguard. VUG, the growth fund from Vanguard. Let's see what they show us here. You can see that big run right there, man. Look at that. That is all. That's all tech stuff, and it's coming back. Yeah, right here. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Facebook. I wonder where Tesla is in these things. I don't know, but let's just look at this. Is month end? Yeah, well, not as of August, as of July. So anyway, so there you go. The top 5: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Facebook. All right, so now, so those things just got hammered for sure. I don't know what Tesla, where that falls in, because Tesla got down like 9% today. All right, so let's look at VTV. All right, see what that guy's doing here. There we go. Does it tell us the price today? Yeah, as of yesterday. So they haven't updated the price yet on Vanguard. But anyway, let's look at top 10 holdings. Well, I already know it's not going to have any of the same thing that the other one did. I know that for a fact. So, all right, so let's go down with Johnson & Johnson, Berkshire, Procter & Gamble, United Healthcare, and JP Morgan. All right, so that's interesting to me. All right, so let's go back to Market Watch. And let's look at VD. I wonder if it, we should have VDIGX. I own this one right here. Yeah, they haven't shown that yet today. That's as of yesterday, right? Because today's the 3rd, isn't it? Yeah. All right. So they haven't updated VDIGX yet. All right. Let's go to VBK. VBK. And that was down 4.27%. All right. There you go. Let's take a look at holdings in VBK. That's a small cap growth index. And why don't they freaking show the holdings, man? Top are not available. What? All right. Well, that's weird. All right. So let's go to what's the other one I want to look at? Not VTV, VBK. There's another one I wanted to look at. Hold on just a second. It's the Vanguard small cap value, which is down 2%. All right, so basically value was down a lot, but the growth is down 4%. Value is down 2% roughly. So there you go. So the growth Fed basically was sent to the bear, not quite a bear market, but down 4.71% in one day. That's a quarter of a way to the bear, man. That's 20% is a bear market. So anyway, that doesn't surprise me. That's of interest to me. And let's look at Exxon. What did Exxon do today? I don't know. I mean, literally, I was sleeping after I planted 8,000 things outside. Oh my goodness. Exxon was down. Exxon was down 0.76%. All right, there you go. So see if there's any news on Exxon where they're cutting. They're going to cut their dividend or not. Do I see any news on here? All right, whatever. So there you go. So the growth got smashed. Value did not. Seemed like there's one. Hold on just a second. Seemed like the bond market was bonds did okay today, up what's that, eighth basically 0.15%. So and that's why like a Wellesley fund in this day and age would actually be a reprieve, because the stock market, look, you're not making any money in bonds. I'm just telling you right now. So if you're going to hold bonds, you're not making any money, but you're not going to get killed. Now you could get a lot more killed in bonds than in cash, which is, I say, just buy whole cash as a barbell. But in this case, you're not getting killed. So the bonds gave you a reprieve. I can't guarantee anything. I imagine if you had Wellesley fund, you didn't lose any money today. That looks like the numbers aren't out yet for today, but that's why you had Wellesley. Let's just make sure that the Wellesley. Hold on just a second, man. I can't believe how hot it is. VWINX. VWinks, and that's they're not quite showing as of yes, as they don't have a closer yet today. So anyway, so there you go. They haven't priced it yet. So gotta be diversified in that regard, my friends. And if you had all growth and the tech stocks get hammered, you're getting hammered too. You gotta learn that lesson. I remember this like it was 1999 going into 2000. All right, we'll see you.